The main beam is a pivotal structural element within the printing system, responsible for supporting the printhead and the mobile platform, acting as the spine of a printer. The choice of material for the main beam significantly influences its capacity to endure long-term loads and adapt to various environmental changes. The machining precision of the main beam has a direct impact on the printhead's movement accuracy, which is essential for achieving high-quality prints. If the main beam is not properly machined, it can lead to vibrations or misalignments during the printhead's movement, thereby compromising print quality. High-quality machining can enhance the beam's rigidity and corrosion resistance, ensuring greater stability, prolonging the printer's lifespan, and maintaining printing precision.